Alrighty, welcome back folks. This is our daily video for Tuesday, August 17th. So for today, ladies and gentlemen, jumping into things, today we started our Do Now with an All About Me worksheet. We joined our Google Classroom today, whoop whoop, and we went over some Mendez expectations. For our exit ticket, we did a little bit of fun stuff, and we did Name That Gibberish. Woo! Your homework for Tuesday was just to read for 30 minutes, okay? All right, so for our do now today, ladies and gentlemen, you guys went ahead. I gave you guys a worksheet in class. It says all about me. It has questions 1 through 10, and it just tells me some hobbies about you so I can get to know you guys just a little bit more. I don't want to show the slide because it still has our Google Classroom code, and I need to make sure for Google privacy reasons, I'm not going to show that, but we went ahead and joined our Google Classroom. I gave you guys a Google Classroom tour. I'm going to go ahead and actually click on it just so you guys can see it. I'm going to use period 1, 2 just as the example, but every day, starting with stream, every day you're going to have a daily video where you guys, well, it doesn't show up here, but you'll have a daily video to watch for class that is going to be available for you, especially if you are absent. I went over important links, so tutoring links. This is where they are. Okay, tutoring, Mrs. Arroyo's Google site, which you guys went to. You click it and you can go. That's where her syllabus is in her library. How to submit an assignment. So if you are new by any chance, you can go there. Or if you need a tutorial on just how to use Google Classroom, this is there for you. I went over our daily agenda and slides where you guys can find my information every day. I even have tomorrow's stuff posted, and then some of our first week activities are up, okay? Grades are going to be that top right corner. I don't have anything in yet, so you guys are good. All right, so that's just a little bit of what we went over for our Google Classroom tour. We went ahead and went through the syllabus one more time. And then for our exit ticket, we did a little bit of Name That Gibberish. All right, fairly easy day. We also went over our Mendez expectations. So we went over, I apologize, ladies and gentlemen, we went over the sentence frames and some of the materials that you are required to have at Mendez, so all of these supplies. I'm going to make sure that that's up in our first week of school activities just in case you need a reminder. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.